Hey guys, welcome back to Crown Geek. So in this video we will be talking about Windows 11 empty folders problem. So recently many users on Windows 11 have the problem there are lots of folder creating on their Windows 11. So though this problem is not new because it was from since 2019 and that was on Windows 10 as well. I won't be discussing much about it, and quickly let's see that how you can permanently fix this problem. So you just need to follow my instructions because I have to go to the C drive and we have to reach a destination and then we need to carefully delete some files. Okay. So just follow the steps. I will also leave the path in the description box that you can reconfirm from there as well. So first of all, you just need to open your file explorer. You can either open it from the task manager or you can also use the shortcut key that is Windows and E as an echo. So once you come here, you need to click on local disk C. Now in the C drive, you have to look for Windows. So you can just click anywhere and then press the W key. And now this will take you to Windows. So make a double click on Windows. And here we need to look for System32. So just press the F key and keep scrolling down until you find System32. So here it is. Now make a double click on it again. And now click anywhere again and look for config. So I press C and if I scroll down, I find it here, config. Make a double click on it. And now we have to look for system profile. So make a double click on it again. And then on AppData. Now on this stage, it might also ask you for the permission. So you just need to click on yes or continue. Now double click on AppData and then on the local. Now here you need to find the file, the folder that starts with TW and ends with an extension TMP. So if you also see this file, this folder, you can see there are lots of them. So you just have to look for them that start again with TW and ends with .tmp. So what you have to do is just need to select all of them. So I will just select all of them. But be careful that you only select these files, nothing else, okay? So again I repeat, the file that starts with TW and ends with .tmp. You can take some time and just recheck that you have selected the right file. Okay, so I think it's right. I have choose the right file. So once you have selected, you have to press the shift and the delete key to permanently delete this folder. So I will just press shift key along with the delete key and then click on yes. So now once these are deleted, your problem will be fixed. You won't be getting any duplicate folder, these empty folder options on Windows 11, and now you can enjoy your work. Hopefully this will help you, and if yes guys, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.